So I finally figured out my issue to no start. My truck kept blowing my ignition A 40 amp fuse right here. I looked for a short, tried to find any wires touching the frame rail. I couldn't find any. Moved a bigger fuse over to see if maybe I could get it to start without it blowing, because it was stuck somewhere where it was going to be hard to work on. It didn't work. I actually figured maybe the starter was bad because it wasn't engaging or anything, but this heat shield sits on top of that starter solenoid right there. It keeps the exhaust heat from getting the starter solenoid too hot, but it ended up sliding around while I was messing around in the truck. It caused a short, touched the terminals on top, and it's what kept blowing my fuses and wouldn't let my truck start. It's all good now though.